What's up, y'all? At this point, y'all already know why we're here. We have a 2015 Nissan Titan with the Rockford Fosgate system, backup camera, and nav. It's a 4.3-inch screen, and we're going to show you how to take this radio out. Now, this thing is pretty simple. You just want to take your panel removal tool, and you want to come over here in this corner at the bottom. The reason I like to come at the bottom first is because the panel is a lot thicker down here at the bottom, so it's less chances of actually breaking something. And then you can just, do that, and then it's going to automatically pop off like that. It won't. I just had it halfway dismantled. But these are all the clips that's on here. But the reason you want to start at the bottom, because once you get up here, it's really thin. So when you get at the top, it's best to have all that stuff at the bottom already off. That way you can just kind of maneuver your panel removal tool on those clips, and you're less likely to break that piece. Now all we have to do is take out these 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips, and we should have that radio out. It's pretty much downhill from here. All right, y'all, that's pretty much it. Just took all the harnesses out. We have the radio. All right, y'all, so I already got the dash kit on. This dash kit was easy. You literally just put this bracket in these little holes that's right there in the side. You can see them right here. You just put them in, you cut away what you don't need, which is just, there's a bracket on the side, and then there's one at the top that you don't need. You cut those away and you use these two to mount it. That's pretty much it. Now, as far as the wiring, we had a lot of stuff that we had to do with this. We had to wire up the harness, we had to do steering wheel controls, we had to do factory backup camera on the aftermarket radio. And I know what you're thinking, I didn't actually go over any of that stuff. Well, for the people who actually know how to wire up a radio, I don't want to go over that with you because I didn't want to waste any time in the video. Sometimes all you need to know is how to take this out, and you got it from there. But for the people who need to know all of this stuff, I have a bunch of videos and a playlist called How To's that's over here in this card, that if you click that, it shows you exactly how to do all of this stuff. We use the PAC Sweet CP2. I got a video on how to wire that up. I got a video on how to wire up your own radio. I got a video on how to retain a factory backup camera with the aftermarket radio. All those videos are in the How To card, so please click those and watch those. That way you can know how to hook this thing up all by yourself. Other than that, all we really need to do is put this panel on. I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, y'all, so that's what it looked like when it's all said and done. So please don't forget that all the links to all the products that I'm using will be in the description. If you want to know how to wire up everything, how we got it right here, those cards are in the corner. And I'll see you guys at the next card, man. Peace. Love y'all. Peace.